I drug him to like right here somewhere, and I got stuck right there.
Yeah, the next one will be coming running across the road.
All right, so we were down at the shop changing the oil in Michelle's car. Matt called us. There's a lady stuck out to the Ponderosa in the mud, so we're rolling out. Take us like 20 minutes to get there. We'll see if we can get out. I guess it's a big Ford van, so see how stuck it is and pull them out. So we got half a tank of gas, but we're just gonna top her off just in case. You never know what we're gonna run into. We're in here, see what the tourists are up to. This pump never works. I'll try it though. This one never works. It's gonna work. Sweet. It's cold. I should have grabbed one of those sweet beanies you're wearing. Alright, we are turning into the Ponderosa right now. We can go track this car down. Van, I guess it is. Let's see if we can find it. Stay tuned.
Yeah, the next one will be coming running across the road.
So I drug him to like right here somewhere, and I got stuck right there.
There they are.
Where?
Van right there.
We're gonna go ahead and turn the hubs in. I'll get them. I got the hubs.
Looks like you're stuck. It wasn't that bad until people tried to help me push and try to get it out, and then it just kept
Got worse
digging
and worse.
in.
Okay,
So-
we'll hook a rope onto you and drag you over to the road part.
Alright, cool. So should I put it neutral or?
I'll just have him jump in and
All
drive
right.
it over to there for you. I'll get turned around and hook on.
There you go.
Yeah. Did you make it clear out to Observation Point at least?
I did. I mean, I walked the rest of the way.
Yeah.
I knew at least I couldn't make it on that muddy stretch, but this morning I had no problem. So that's because the ground was
Yeah, it was,
fully frozen.
yeah, it was frozen, man.
So I was like, should I just call in stuck? I don't know.
Okay. I'll turn around and back up here.
Will that stay on there?
No, I'll just turn it over. Oh,
And it's up against the tire?
yeah.
Designed that way?
Yep. All right. Start up, we'll pull you over there. To the road.
Yeah, they kind of get that way around here.
Okay, we'll follow you out.
Okay.
We should be good to go. Yep, you're welcome. So last time I pulled over right here to let the person by me, I got stuck and I had to winch to that tree to pull myself out of here. Yep, but it's not as muddy today as it was then.
And it's not as deep.
No, it's just slick. Just got like a little tiny layer of really slick mud on it right now. That wasn't too bad. All right, well, we came, got her out. She was not too stuck, but she couldn't get out, so we are done and heading home. Wrapped up, it's all finished. Yep. So a couple days ago, a lady emailed us and said she had some tools from her husband that she would like to give to us. She lives pretty close to us, so we're gonna burn over there and check them out.
It's just super duper humbling that people see us on YouTube and think, I want to give those tools to those people. because I know they're going to use them. And we're also so grateful for all of you guys for all the stuff you've sent us, all the candy. We've gotten hats, we've gotten shirts.
Parts
What is
for my
Papa Dog
lathe.
like?
We got all kinds of
parts
stuff.
We've gotten stickers
People
from
are
fire
awesome.
stations, and it's so awesome. So we just wanted to thank all of you guys. Also, we have a goal by May to hit 100,000 subscribers. So if you guys watch our stuff and haven't subscribed yet, we would appreciate it. Because
sure.
we kind of have a little goal going on. Do you have anything to say, Papa Dar?
No.
You gotta say something. A lot of you guys have asked how Papa Dar's related to us.
And he's not.
He's not. But he might as well be.
I've just known him forever. We've been jeeping for like 20 years together, so.
One more thing. A lot of people have asked to do like a Q&A. You guys have any questions for Paul or me or Dar, shoot them down in the comments and we will answer them in another video.
We'll try to.
We'll
we
try
don't know
to.
very much.
We don't know a lot, but we'll try to answer them.
How are ya?
I'm good. How are you guys? It's heavy as all get
So what
out.
did he do? What was his?
So, he was a welder by trade. He worked on train cars. We're from West Virginia. Moved out here in 2010 to Utah because I wanted to live in the desert.
Well, you got it.
Go
We're-
figure. He's always worked in the garage and fabricating and
Yeah.
making things and making them work, and that was just like a hobby for him. He raced ATVs for a while, and then when we moved out here, we had a Jeep. We had the sand rail buggy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my husband passed away from melanoma in 2017, and I had been watching Matt's Recovery. Started seeing fabrats show up on there. So I just really started thinking every time I've moved, I've always hauled the tool chest and the tools with me, and it was just a part of who John was. I had the thought, how could I honor him? And I've watched Fabrats YouTubes. You guys do some awesome work in your garage. You make things work. You make them from scratch, roll cages from scratch. And that's what he was all about. He was all about making something work.
Sounds like we did along with him.
Yeah, oh, you would have. We would wrench in the garage, and then, on the weekend, it was our time to go out in the desert and have a blast, and that's exactly what we did. Then he passed away in 2017, and I thought, how can I honor him? And the best way I could think of was, these tools need to work. Yeah, you guys are true
thank you.
wrenchers.
We try. This one will come off, won't it?
Yeah, but it's really heavy too. I can't even.
Oh yeah, we can take them apart and get it.
Yeah.
Cool.
So this thing on the top of there,
Puller.
you knew.
Oh yeah. Yep, that's a puller for sure.
It's great.
Yep, 3-jaw puller.
Yep.
So
Wonderful.
we will put these to work for sure there.
Oh, I can't believe you guys did that.
All right. You ready? Well, it's in. Hold that right there. Get these other ones and you got it.
Thank you
Yeah.
for being
Thank
able
you.
to accept this
Yeah.
donation in his memory and in his honor. And
That is so nice.
It'll be awesome. They'll go to work.
yeah, it just puts a smile on my face because I know I know those hammers are going to ping. So thank you
of
guys
you.
so much for
You're very
accepting that.
welcome, and thank you
film
for
for
giving
just
them
a
to us.
second.
This isn't even close to being a payment for you for this, but
Oh
we
my gosh.
we brought you your own Fabrat shirt, brought you a beanie and a hat.
You gotta love Fabrats. You can't not love them, okay?
That's right.
You're the best.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
thank you. Thank you
Yep,
so
this
much.
is awesome. This awesome lady just gave us these toolboxes that are in the back of the truck that were her husband's. She's moved them around with her a bunch of times. She didn't want to move them again, I guess, and decided Fabrats was a good home for them. The tools will go get used a whole bunch.